The golden age of dentistry sounds like a myth to most practicing dentists today. The idea that they could have a fairly leisurely schedule while still having time away from the practice and a terrific income is completely foreign. It's true that things have changed tremendously in dentistry compared to 50 years ago. But it's also true that dentists today can enjoy the same kind of relaxed and fulfilling professional and personal lives that dentists did a half century ago, or even 20 years ago. I'll be back right after this short break to tell you how to turn the myth into reality. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, Receiver, CEO of SmartBox. Now, I talk with dentists every single day, and I consistently hear the same thing from them. Their practices have become pressure cookers. The dentists are literally sprinting between operatories on roller skates because their schedules are slammed. They're working more hours, staying open more days, in some cases just trying to keep up. And yet, proportionally, they're not making that much more money in exchange for the countless hours they spend hunched over the dental chair. Now, there's several factors that are driving dentistry's high-pressure environment today, and they're all very interrelated. The first is corporate dentistry, as you know. The chain practices in large dental groups have efficiencies of scale that very few dentists can hope to match. Their overheads are far lower than yours, so they can afford to be the low-price leaders in your market. The second factor is the move by dental insurance companies to shift costs, the liability to the patients. Wages haven't come close to keeping pace with the increased cost of dental care or even the economy at large. Patients without much discretionary income, but with dental insurance, are looking for the lowest price. And that's exactly why corporate dentistry is siphoning off new patients. The third factor is record numbers of new dental school graduates who owe an average of $260,000 in student loans. I talked to a dentist last week that's graduating with $510,000 in debt, and he hasn't even started working yet. He's not open to practice, and he doesn't have a job. These cash-strapped dentists are fuel for the corporate machine, which is offering huge sign-on bonuses and tuition repayment programs. But some new dentists are able to obtain some startup money to start their own practices, increasing the competition even further. And like other dentists in your market, they're offering the low prices, the specials, the discounts, accepting all the insurances. So, summing up here, there's a lot more people looking for dental care, but only at the price that they want to pay on the insurance that they have. Listen, you gals, you run during your work days while you're not really making enough on each patient. The insurers cut your reimbursements. The patients don't want to pay anything more than it's worth, and half the time it's just extract that tooth, doc. Now, if this sounds like a self-defeating trap, it's because it is. But there is a way out. Dr. Raleigh Peock from Salem, Oregon said this, quote, "I thank my lucky stars I discovered the way to break free. For me, my practice is the path to true freedom. I want to be free to live a full life and have the money to do it. And it's hard to be free if you're stuck behind a chair 24/7. Now, Dr. Peock became a SmartBox dentist and escaped the self-defeating trap. In fact, he increased his collections from around $800,000 a year to $3.2 million in under 6 years. SmartBox works with thousands of dentists around the world to help them escape the dental pressure cooker. We're providing this stream of better patients to our doctors so you all can focus on doing the dentistry for more money. SmartBox dentists work less, earn more, and they're able to enjoy life again. Discover what SmartBox can do for your practice. Check out our website, give us a call. We'll build a tailored patient attraction roadmap for your practice that's yours, the exact steps that you need in your market, backed by science and data and evidence to attract the types of patients that you want. Dentistry doesn't have to be a high-pressure job, but until you market for the patients that you want, it will be. Join me for our next podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.